Good afternoon. I'm Dan Pouts. As a follow-up to the webinar that we did this afternoon, I wanted to address a couple of issues and answer a couple of specific questions. With respect to liability, an employer's potential liability in the event that an employee is infected with COVID-19 and there's some allegation that such infection or exposure occurred at the workplace. A few things to keep in mind when you become aware of those claims. There's really three portions of a defense. The first portion, of course, is compliance with all local, state, and federal guidance. The best defense to any claim being made in terms of negligence would be, I cannot possibly be held negligent because I followed all of the applicable guidance that's out there. The second line of defense is causation. As part of any negligence claim, the employee would have to show that they were exposed to COVID-19 while at the workplace, and that such exposure was due to negligence on the part of the employer. Because of the transient nature of our lifestyle and now the fact that more businesses are opening up, it would be very, very difficult for someone to prove that they were exposed to COVID-19 at a specific time, place, and date. So that's the second line of defense, is causation. It'd be very difficult for an employee to prove that they were infected at your place of employment, barring some unusual circumstances. And the third line of defense is workers' compensation. Workers' compensation insurance provides a bar to negligence claim for any negligence-related claim that occurred at the workplace. So although it's unclear at this point whether or not exposure to COVID-19 is a covered claim for purposes of workers' compensation, because of the causation issue we just talked about, employers should notify their comp carrier and submit these claims. And there's also an option to make what's called a Article 21A payment, which is a payment of comp benefits without acknowledging liability. There's guidance on this from the Workers' Compensation Board that's put out recently. But those three things to keep in mind if you become aware of a claim: follow the guidance, causation issue, and workers' compensation. Thank you.